So you want to learn how to make a delicious margarita that will delight your guests? Well, you've come to the right place. Making this flavorful and fun classic cocktail is easier than you'd think. And here's what you'll need to get the party started. Tequila, Cointreau or triple sec, sweet and sour mix or lime juice, crushed ice, and for the finishing touch, salt and a lime wedge. In your blender, measure out 1 ounce of tequila, 1 ounce of Cointreau or triple sec, 1 ounce of sweet and sour mix or lime juice, and 1 cup of crushed ice. Now it's time to blend until smooth. Take a fresh lime wedge and run it around the rim of the glass. Next, dip the rim into your plate of salt, rotating it to ensure even coverage. Now for the final touch, the lime wedge. And there you have it, a classic margarita ready to impress. For more insider tips and recipes, Bartending for Dummies is your ultimate guide. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, it's got everything you need to become a master mixologist. Cheers.